Every day, your cat watches you. Every blink, every sigh, every door you close behind you, they notice. But what if I told you the things that break your cat's heart the most are things you do without even knowing? Some are simple habits, others are everyday choices, but each one chips away at the trust, joy, and quiet connection your cat holds so dear. Let's uncover them, one whisker-breaking truth at a time. Number 1. Ignoring their greetings. When you come home and your cat races to the door, tail high, eyes wide, that's not just them being curious, that's love. But if you rush past them, distracted or on your phone, you've just missed the most emotional moment of their day. To them, it's like being overlooked by your best friend. Number 2. Talking loudly on the phone. Cats don't understand conversations through screens. All they hear is your voice, louder than usual, more animated, and with no visible person in sight. It's confusing and sometimes scary. They wonder, are you angry? At me? At someone else? And they slink away, heart quietly heavy. Number 3. Changing your routine too often. Cats are creatures of rhythm. When you sleep late, eat at odd hours, or shift their meal times, their world tilts. It's like the sun suddenly rising from the wrong side of the sky. They don't need perfect predictability, just a little consistency to anchor their tiny universe. Number 4. Closing the door on them. Especially the bathroom. You think you're just seeking privacy, but to your cat, it's betrayal. They think, why can't I be near you? What are you hiding? To a cat, being with you, even when you're brushing your teeth, is a form of loyalty, and being locked out, it stings. Number 5. Leaving for work without saying goodbye. You rush out, keys in hand, mind on meetings, but your cat, still half asleep on the couch, watches the door close and waits. Just a word, a gentle scratch behind the ear, a see you soon. It's enough. It tells them, you matter to me, even when I'm gone. Number 6. Ignoring their favorite toy. That old feather one they keep nudging toward you, it's not just a toy, it's a bridge, a shared ritual. When you ignore it night after night, they wonder, did I do something wrong? They aren't asking for hours of play, just a moment of connection. Number 7. Scolding without understanding. Knocked over a glass, scratched the couch. Before you raise your voice, remember, your cat wasn't being bad. They were expressing something, stress, boredom, or simply being a cat. To scold without understanding is like being misunderstood by someone you trust most. Number 8. Using strong scents around the house. Scent is how cats map the world. Strong essential oils, cleaning sprays, or scented candles may smell nice to you, but to your cat, it's an invisible fog that drowns out safety. Their world becomes unfamiliar, even in their favorite room. Number 9. Forgetting to clean the litter box. To you, it's just a box. To them, it's a sacred space. A dirty litter box isn't just unpleasant, it's a betrayal of their instinct for cleanliness. Would you like to walk barefoot in your own bathroom if it hadn't been flushed in 2 days? Number 10. Touching them where they don't like it. The belly, the base of the tail, the back paws. Every cat has their no-go zones. And when we ignore their signals, a tail flick, a twitch, a stiffening body, we break a little bit of trust. Consent matters, even in cuddles. Number 11. Not giving them vertical space. Cats need height. It makes them feel safe, powerful, and at peace. When your home has no cat trees, no shelves, no window perches, it's like you've taken away their castles. Give them a view, and you'll give them dignity. Number 12. Forgetting their name. You might think they don't care, But cats do recognize their names, especially if they're spoken with love. If the only time you say it is to scold them or call them for food, the name becomes a signal of disappointment, not affection. Number 13. Leaving them in total darkness. Yes, cats can see in low light, but not pitch black. When you leave for the night and the house goes dark, they're not just alone. They're blind in their own territory. A tiny nightlight can be the warm ember of safety in their solitude. Number 14. Free feeding without enrichment. A bowl always full might seem generous, but it removes one of your cat's greatest joys, the hunt. They were built to stalk, pounce, and earn that reward. Food puzzles, timed feeders, or short pre-meal play sessions bring purpose back to their days. Number 15. Leaving their toys out all the time. When everything's always available, nothing feels special. Rotate toys. Hide them. Bring them back like surprises. It's not just fun. It tells your cat, I see you. I want to play with you. I care. Number 16. Picking them up when they're not in the mood. Just because they're soft and cuddly doesn't mean they always want to be held. Respect their mood, their signals, their autonomy. Because a heart forced too often eventually withdraws. Number 17. Playing too rough. What starts as playful wrestling can quickly turn into anxiety. Cats don't always know where the line is. And when you cross it, chasing, grabbing, teasing, they remember. Gentle play isn't weakness. It's respect. Number 18. Spraying them with water. To correct them, they don't understand. All they know is that the person they trust just punished them with fear. There are better ways to redirect behavior, ones that don't leave behind invisible scars. Number 19. Not giving them quiet spaces. The TV blaring, the vacuum humming, the doorbell ringing. Your home is full of sounds, but your cat needs silence. A cozy corner, a quiet room, a tucked-away hideaway. That's where their hearts rest and heal. Number 20. Assuming they don't feel lonely. You work long hours. Life is busy, but your cat waits. Not because they're helpless, but because they care. They feel your absence, your distance, your silence. And yes, sometimes it breaks their heart. If you've made these mistakes, don't worry. We all have. But every moment with your cat is a new chance to do better, to listen closer, to love deeper. Because the truth is, your cat's heart is more fragile, more devoted, and more attuned to you than you ever imagined. Which of these surprised you the most? Have you noticed any of these signs in your cat? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your stories. If you love cats and want to understand them better every day, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell, because your cat's heart deserves it.